Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Wednesday morning, I'm looking at the Mac here, September 6th. I'm Coach Michael Burt. Hope you guys are off to a great start. I believe everybody needs a coach. I believe a good coach can change your life. And I believe there's lots of highly talented yet undercapitalized people in the world. Now, let me say that again. I believe there's lots of highly talented yet undercapitalized people in the world. And so, and maybe they lack prey drive, maybe they lack a vision, maybe they lack knowledge, skills, desire, confidence. There could be something that they lack. And so I like to, or there could be something they're trying to do. Let me say that, because I don't want it to come across in a negative way. We all lack something, right? But we're all trying to do something. And so I like to come on here on these these morning drives and just bring a little bit of thought, maybe a little bit of inspiration, which means to breathe life into, maybe bring some enthusiasm, which means God within. And I've been working on a concept for Monster Nation this week where I'm speaking, which is my conference. We've got almost pretty much a sold out crowd that's coming to the lodge this Friday and Saturday. And I wanted to bring the group something new, something fresh. And I wanted to reignite my prey drive. And I started thinking about the level 10 opportunity. Okay, David. And the level 10 opportunity is the greatest opportunity available to you that you're most likely not focused on. Brian, good morning. So the level 10 opportunity is this big, juicy, incredible opportunity. It's most likely associated, Daniel, with a problem somebody has or an ambition that somebody is trying to reach. And we're not focused on it because we've got to keep the trains running. Well, that level 10 opportunity is initiated by what I call a big idea. And everybody is looking for their big idea. And the big idea is this idea that is initiated of a problem you want to solve, Marissa, with your skill set. And it like taps into some of your deepest nature, what you love doing, what you're great at doing, where there's a need in the world, where your conscience is telling you. And I have an idea that keeps coming back to me, Marissa, almost every day. And it's like, okay, you step into that idea because that's a big opportunity. Okay, the idea then has to go from mental creation to physical action. And a lot of people, I wrote a book on this called From A to B. It's like, I got this idea to solve this problem. This problem, Danny Carlo, fascinates me. It motivates me. It is interesting to me. It's intriguing to me. And what it does is it reignites the prey drive, Karen Maxwell, to move toward this goal because it's tapping into what you love doing and what you're good at doing. It's like, man, I think I could solve this problem. Whether you can or can't doesn't matter. It's the thought, Travis, that, man, that is a big idea. And I believe, I coach a lot of people that are looking for their next big idea. They're in an idea. It's kind of like when I was working on my book, Flip the Switch, and I was so excited about being a bestseller. And Rory Vaden said to me, this is going to be a big book. It's going to be a Wall Street Journal bestseller, but it's not your biggest book. He's like, the next one is most likely going to be the big one. And I thought, okay, what's the idea? What's the problem? What am I fascinated by? What would I study on the weekends? What do I get motivated by? What motivates me when I don't feel like it? I started thinking, okay, what is it, man? Is it purpose? Is it packaging? Is it coaching? Is it potential? Is it fear? Is it right? Like, what's the problem I want to solve with my skill set? That is where the money comes in, is the monetization happens when you wake up and you go, okay, I am uniquely talented to solve this problem. I can't solve that problem and I can't solve that problem. And I got an idea, man. And the idea alone reignites that prey drive. Now it's like, all right, who can help me move from A to B? Who do I need on the squad? How do I market the idea? And I kind of stay focused on this. And it's got to be scalable. It's got to be repeatable. It's got to be profitable. It's got to be, I would think, enjoyable. So this is a presentation I'm going to be giving this Friday at Monster Nation. I'm going to be taking people through a filter to come up with their big idea to solve their big problem. And I'm going to tie in A to B. I'm going to tie in what's next, and I'll tie in prey drive, which are some of my biggest concepts. And when you solve big problems, like a Musk, you become a person of interest. Okay? You become a person of interest. When you wake up in the morning, you say, Freddie Bland, I'm going to solve that problem right there. And I'm going to tackle this problem because nobody's solved. It's a recurring problem. So the big idea motivates you even when you don't feel like it. Okay? So I'm headed to Dallas, Texas today and tomorrow. I'm going to be speaking to about 600 loan originators from Supreme Lending. So I'm excited about that opportunity. It's going to be a great presentation. It's going to be me and Damon West, author of How to Be a Coffee Bean. And then I'm coming back to Nashville for Monster Nation. Damon West is coming to Nashville for Monster Nation. And it's going to be a great 3-day experience. Now, the other night I had a moment where I was like, dang, man, look at my schedule. I'm going from here to Monster Nation. Then I'm going here to West Palm Beach, Monday, Tuesday. Then I'm going from there, Denver, Colorado. And I've been at home with my family so much over the last few weeks, I haven't been out on the road. So it's like, man, here we go. It's about a 7-day stretch of just boom, 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 boom. So we gotta get our mind ready for what our body's going to do. And we gotta say these are going to be transformational experiences for people. So good morning to everybody. Hope you have a great day. Everybody needs a coach. Let's go tackle it today, guys. Focus on that big idea. Okay. That is part of your level 10. That is part of your what's next. Okay. Have a great day, guys.